Welcome. You are listening Radio Central News. I'm Abhilasha Bharmori. Now, news in detail. The death toll due to COVID-19 rose to 480 and the number of cases to 14,378 in the country. While the number of active COVID-19 cases stood at 11,906, as many as 1,991 people have been cured and discharged and one had migrated. The total number of cases includes 76 foreign nationals. 28 deaths have been reported since Friday evening, 12 from Madhya Pradesh, 7 from Maharashtra, 4 from Delhi, 3 from Gujarat, 1 each from Jammu and Kashmir and Bihar. Of the total 480 deaths, Maharashtra tops the tally with 201 fatalities, followed by Madhya Pradesh at 69, Delhi at 42, Gujarat at 41, and Telangana at 18. Tamil Nadu has reported 15 deaths, while Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh have reported 14 fatalities each. Punjab and Karnataka have reported 13 deaths each. Rajasthan has registered 11 deaths, while West Bengal has reported 10 fatalities. 5 persons have lost their lives in Jammu and Kashmir, while Kerala and Haryana have recorded 3 deaths each. Jharkhand and Bihar have reported 2 deaths each. Meghalaya, Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, and Assam reported 1 fatality each, according to the Health Ministry's data updated in the morning. The highest number of confirmed cases in the country is from Maharashtra at 3,323, followed by Delhi at 1,707, Tamil Nadu at 1,323, and Madhya Pradesh at 1,310. COVID-19 cases have gone up to 1,229 in Rajasthan, 1,099 in Gujarat, and 849 in Uttar Pradesh. Telangana has 766 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh at 572 and Kerala at 396. The number of novel coronavirus cases has risen to 359 in Karnataka, 328 in Jammu and Kashmir, 287 in West Bengal, 225 in Haryana, and 202 in Punjab. At least 26 Indian Navy personnel have tested positive for coronavirus in the Western Naval Command in Mumbai in first case of a major outbreak of the deadly disease in the Indian Armed Forces. All the infected sailors were serving at the Indian naval ship Angre, a shore-based logistics and support establishment, and they are undergoing treatment at a Navy hospital. The Navy has launched a large-scale contact tracing operation to track the people who may have come in contact with the sailors. The outbreak of the infection in the Indian Navy comes at a time when a number of navies globally are grappling with the pandemic. A sailor on board the USS Theodore Roosevelt, an aircraft carrier, reported as many as 500 cases of the virus. The French Navy has also been hit hard by the pandemic. The sources said 25 of the infected sailors were staying at a building having single-room accommodations and barracks within the INS Angre complex, while one sailor was living with his mother in his own house. The sailor's mother has also been tested positive. The Navy is carrying out virus testing for all the people staying in the residential accommodation, and it has been declared as a containment zone, while INS Angre was put under total lockdown as per the prescribed protocol of Apex Medical Research Body ICMR. 29 policemen were quarantined in Himachal Pradesh Chamba district after a man who engaged in an altercation with them at a checkpost a few days ago tested positive for coronavirus. 13 policemen were posted in Haldi Barrier, 11 in Siunta police station, and 5 homeguard jawans in Siunta of Chamba district. The Chamba resident had an altercation with the police at Haldi Barrier and Siunta police station when he, along with his 2 companions, were entering the state from Punjab's Dera Bassi a few days ago. He tested positive for COVID-19 on Friday. The DGP said an FIR has been registered against the man and his companions, and they all had been quarantined at Thalel Center in Bhatiyar division of the district. Ludhiana North Assistant Commissioner of Police Anil Kohli passed away due to novel coronavirus. Kohli was admitted in Sadguru Pratap Singh Hospital after his samples were tested positive for COVID-19 on April 13. As his condition deteriorated a couple of days ago, the 52-year-old PPS officer was put on ventilator. Hospital sources said the ACP died due to multiple organ failures before he could be administered the plasma therapy. His 5 contacts, including his wife, his driver, Joe Deval SHO, ASI and district Mandi officers, had also contracted the virus and have been quarantined. 3 Central Reserve Police Force Jawans were martyred in a militant attack in support of Baramulla. Militants fired at the security checkpoint near Ahad Bab crossing in support. The militants have managed to escape from the spot while reinforcement rushed to the area and a search operation launched to nab the attackers. Delhi police filed a charge sheet against Sharjil Imam for allegedly delivering a seditious speech and abetting riots in the Jamia Millia Islamia University area during the anti-CAA protests in December. Imam was arrested for allegedly instigating and abetting the Jamia riots due to his seditious speech. Police said, on the basis of evidence collected in the ongoing probe, Section 124A IPC and 153A IPC, sedition and promoting enmity between classes were invoked in the case. Initially, the first charge sheet was filed against the rioters who were arrested by the crime branch SIT. Supplementary charge sheet in continuation of the earlier charge sheet has been filed in the court of Saket Court. Radio Central News appeals you to stay at home and follow the guidelines given by the government from time to time to defeat this fatal virus. Please maintain social distancing and don't panic. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.